Today what we're going to do is scalp micro pigmentation. Organic ink is put in between the hair. So today what we're going to do is we're going to put the ink just behind the hairline, mid scalp, crown and the entire male pattern hair loss baldness. Here is an organic ink. This is the device. So it's almost painless and we are putting a micro dot in between the hair. So these dots are very close to each other, so they will close the light that going through here, so giving illusion that his hair is full.